Hello YouTube, this is Faisal Ahmed Shibat. Welcome to the 5 minutes tutorial. In our last video, we have learned the basic structure of C#. So in this video, we will gonna learn variables and how can we do comment in C#, what are the data types in C#. Comments. So how can we do comment in C# program? So there is two type of comment, single line comment and multiple line comment. In single line comment, we can do comment easily by slash by clicking double slash and text, and after double slash we can comment anything. In multiple line comment, we have to use slash then star, then the comment, and after star and slash. By using this we can do multiple line comment. So what are the variables in C#? In C# there are different type of variables like integer, double, character, string, boolean. Integer. So integers are the numbers without decimals such as 123 or -123. Double types of data are floating data types like 19.99 or -19.99. Car actually character type data types like A, B, C, any character. String such like hello world. String values are surrounded by double quotes. We can write anything in double quotes, that called string. Bool actually boolean data types. Bool stores the value with two stars, true or false, 0 or 1, true or false. So a variable in C# must be a specified data types. Like if you want to declare an integer variable, then we have to write int number int, then the variable name equal to the variable. So there are many data types like integer data types, character type data types, bool, string. So now we will use comments, data types and variables in our program. Let's start. So here I have declared a variable, integer variable num. I have assigned 5 in num, and I am printing the variable value. Now I am doing a single line comment here. Then I am doing a multiple line comment here. So we have seen here how can we use single line comment and multiple line comment, and we have declared a integer type variable and we have printed it. Now let's run the project. So here we can see the output, hello 5 minutes tutorial, and the value is 5. So that's all for today. We will learn typecasting, operators, and how can we give input in C# in our next class. Thank you.